So last sum in this exercise, 24th sum. This is the given data in the question. They given 3 packets, packet 1, packet 2 and packet 3. These are gift packets. In the first gift packet, the weight of cashew nut is 100 gram. This all grams. Weight of resin, weight are given in grams. Okay, grams. Weight of cashew nut is in 100 grams. Weight of resins is 100 gram, and weight of almonds is 50 gram. So total gift pack contains 100 grams of cashew nut, 100 grams of resins and 100 gram of almonds. So this is a gift packet 1. This is a gift packet 2, 200, 100, 100. Gift packet 3, 250, 50 and 150. So they are given the cost for cashew nut and raisins and almonds in for 50 gram only. But totally we have taken 100 grams, but they give cost 50 gram. 50 gram of cashew nut, sorry, 50 gram of cashew nut is rupees 50. Listen very carefully. 50 gram, otherwise I put 50 gram here also, no problem. 50 gram of cashew nut is rupees 15. 50 gram of raisins rupees 10. 50 gram of almonds is rupees 60. So what I need to find? I need to find the cost of each gift packet. What is the cost of gift packet 1, cost of gift packet 2 and cost of gift packet 3 using the matrix multiplication. So how are I going to take? It's a very easy only. So I'm going to take, let matrix A, I'm going to take matrix A is the form of, they given 50 gram no. So I'm going to take it as 2 full cashew nut. 2, this because it contains 250 grams. Here 450 grams. Here 550 grams. So I take it as 2, 4 and 5. Because 5 into 50 is 250. It contains 250 grams. 100 grams, totally 100 grams. It contains 250 grams. 2 into 50 is nothing but 100, no. It contains 450 grams. So like this one. This is also 2. This one is going to be 2. This one is going to be 5. 2, 2, 5. Next this one is 1, 2, 3. Easily I got 1, 2, 3. This is A. Okay. Next, what I am going to take B. B is nothing but what is the cost? 50, 10 and 60. Cashews, raisins and almonds. You need to take 50, 10 and 60. 50, 10 and 60. This I am going to consider as B. Let A is equal to B is equal to. If I am going to multiply these two matrices, I am going to get the cost of packet 1, packet 2, packet 3. But problem is, I am going to do it B into A only. I can't able to do it A to B because the condition not satisfies for AB. So you need to do multiplication BA, because what is the B matrix order? 1 cross 3. This is A, 3 cross 3. So this is possible. Suppose if we are going to take 3 cross 3 and 1 cross 3 is not possible. This one is possible. So BA is possible. AB is not possible. AB is not possible. BA is only possible. So BA is equal to. So BA. What is B here? 50, 10, 60. So this one take is 2, 4, 5, 2, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3. Do the multiplication. How are we going to do? See, 50 into 2 is 100. 10 into 2 is 20. Plus 60 into 1 is 60. That's all. Over. Next, 50. This one, no. I multiply, put and put here. But this one and this one I need to multiply, put here. So how are we going to come see? So this one I need to multiply this one. But I should not put here. No, I should need to put here. I need to put here. So 50 into 4 is 50 into 4 is 200 plus 10 into 2 is 20 plus 60 2s are 120. Next, 50. This one should multiply this and put here. No. 50 into 5 is 250 plus 10 into 5 is 50 plus 60 into 3 is nothing but 180. So what is the answer is going to be? 100, 120, next 180. 180. 200 plus this one is going to be 140, nothing but 340. Next, 200, 250, 300, 480. If you are going to take this 300, 400 and 480. So this is the required answer for this sum. This is called packet 1, packet 2. See, packet 1, packet 2, packet 3. Packet 1, packet 2 and packet 3. This is packet 1. This is going to be packet 2. This is going to be our packet 3. We will take and write the answer. Therefore, cost of first gift, comma second gift, comma third gift is rupees 180, rupees 340, rupees 480.